Hello, hello, and welcome to another video. What are we going to be looking at today? Today we're going to be looking at the difference between the oo and the Oo and They sound very, very similar, but they're not the same. All right, they make a little bit of a different sound. You might have heard the difference sometimes. You may not have sometimes, but that's what we're going to get into. Right now, we're comparing these two particular sounds. The sound ooh is a deep ooh sound, like ooh, made at the front of the mouth with round lips. So think of a monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your lips have to come out, maybe like you're going to kiss somebody. All right, so that's the ooh sound. It's a little bit longer, and you have to protrude your lips. The secret is in your lips. All right, so it's ooh, ooh, ooh. And then we have that U with the two little dots on the top. And that makes an sound. And that's more of a relaxed mouth. So we have ooh, ooh, You get an idea with my mouth. Ooh, 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 Let's go over some examples. When do you see these two sounds in different words? So we'll start off with the ooh. All right. And so I'm going to read through them. You're just going to listen and read along. You can repeat after I do, but notice the ooh sound. Again, remember, kissing lips or like a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So number one, booed. Number two, boo. Number three, cooed. Number four, cool. Number five, food. Number six, fool. Number seven, good. Number eight, hood. Number nine, kook. Number 10, crew. 11, Luke. 12, nuke. 13, pool. 14, pooch. 15, shoe. 16, suit. 17, shoot. 18, stewed. 19, toucan. 20, wooed. So you'll notice it's always an ooh sound, always the ooh. Booed, boo, cooed, cool, food, fool, good, hood, kook, crew, luke, nuke, pool, pooch, shoe, sued, shoot, stewed, toucan, wooed. Your mouth actually gets tired from doing the ooh sound because you have to pucker your lips up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Right. The other sound is the sound. All right. It's a more relaxed sound. All right. So I wouldn't say ooh. My mouth doesn't kind of protrude. It just stays very relaxed. Uh, 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 uh. All right. Some examples. Let's go over some examples. Number one, book. You'll notice the relaxed mouth. Book, book. Two, bushel. Three, could. Four, cushion. Five, foot. Six, full. Relaxed mouth. Seven, good. Eight, hood. Nine, cook. 10, crook. 11, look. 12, nook. 13, pull. 14, put. 15, sugar. 16, soot. 17, should. 18, stood. 19, took. 20, would. Right? So again, my mouth is completely relaxed for all of those ooh sounds. So it's book, bushel, could, cushion, foot, full, good, hood, cook, crook, look, nook, pull, put, sugar, soot, should, stood, took, would. My mouth almost doesn't move. All right. Not like the other one, which is an ooh sound. This was an sound. Very relaxed mouth. So let's see if we can practice both of them together in this short story. All right. So I'm going to read it out loud. You just listen and follow along. You can always pause the video and read it out loud yourself. All right. So let's see if we can identify these sounds. Luke had a book about a pool. It was good, and it made him feel cool. One day, he took a look at a cook who put sugar in a nook. The cook's name was Brooke, and she shook a can of food for the mood. Brooke and Luke liked to say woo-hoo by the pool with their food. They had fun with the ooh and the sounds, making their day good and true. All right, so I'm going to read it one more time. Just listen and you can notice what I do with my mouth when it's an ooh and when it's an Luke had a book about a pool. It was good and it made him feel cool. One day he took a look at a cook who put sugar in a nook. The cook's name was Brooke, and she shook her a can of food for the mood. Brooke and Luke liked to say woo-hoo by the pool with their food. They had fun with the ooh and the sounds, making their day good and true. Right? So again, you don't have to exaggerate it and this huge monkey face, not necessary, but you do have to protrude your lips a little bit. Right? So good, true, good, true, good, true. Alrighty? Now, what I want you guys to do is down below, write which words were ooh and which words were I want to see if you're able to identify the difference. All right, so down in the comments, make a list of all the words that are ooh with your monkey face, ooh, and all the words that are with all right, all the words over here specifically. Alrighty, so make sure to write that answer below. Like always, if you like the video, subscribe, share, hit the like button, let other people know if they're looking to improve their pronunciation and their accent skills. Let other people know. Hopefully these short videos can help with little tiny sounds so you can sound as American as possible. Now, the quote of the day. Being a student is easy. Learning requires actual work. From William Crawford. All right, so I see that on a daily basis because I teach all day, every day. In every single lesson, I'm always asking, did you study? I'm always asking, did you study here? Did you study there? Did you go over the material? Did you review? 99.9% of all my students say no. No, because they don't have time, because they forget. They think they're just going to, plug a cable into their head like the Matrix and download all the information. You have to practice a little bit. Being a student is easy, but learning requires actual work. Practice a little bit every day for just 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes every day. And that's going to create a compound effect. And eventually you're going to see massive improvement, right? But you have to do the work. All right. So I'm going to let you guys go. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Remember, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.